na, Santiago. Good day, everyone. So today we are going to tackle our website. But before we proceed, what is our advocacy? Our website is named Sagip Kabataan para sa Kinabukasan. So yung advocacy po namin is to provide support towards teenage parents who are often disregarded by our society. So we decided po na ito yung name namin is because ang aim namin is to help them survive this journey po. Para po to create a better future for them.
Starting from the home tab of our website, we can see the brief state of how teenage pregnancy is perceived in our country. We have put this in our website because our team intends to address the challenges that teenage parents have to deal with while dealing with their personal challenge, which is being early parents. These challenges are all formed from the society's opinion and judgment, and we, as a team, would like to become the one who destroys the stigma against them. Below our home tab, we have the infomercial we have made about supporting teenage parents. We have put this in our website to let other people accessing it become easier.
Our next tab features about our page. Dito na po malalaman yung mga kasagutan kung ano nga ba yung purpose namin and why did we decided to conduct this website about our advocacy.
Our mission: empowering teenage parents. This involves providing teenage parents with the resources, skills, and confidence they need to raise their children and pursue their own goals, such as education and career development. Our vision: acceptance and the end of stereotypes. The primary goal is for teenage parents to be accepted without facing prejudice. Stereotypes often paint them as irresponsible or a burden, which can lead to social isolation and limited opportunities.
Ang next naman po is our reason. So yung reason po namin is why we decided na ito yung maging advocacy since we cannot deny the fact na teenage parents pregnancy is prominent. So nag-arise na din po yung mga different ways to prevent and causes of it. Pero much we're often disregarding po the fact na yung teenage parents is are left hanging. That's why ayun po yung naging reason or ayun yung naging root cause para ito yung ni-establish naming advocacy. Next naman po is yung our goals. So yung goal po namin is to shift perspective because in our country, talamak na po yung stigmatize and stereotype sa kanila. Yes, dumaan sila sa stage na pinagsisisian at hindi nila alam yung ginagawa nila. Pero now, we can provide a reliable support system. Because in our website po, fini-features or hina-highlight po neto yung struggles nila with the hope to change your perspective towards them. Our next tab po is story. Meron po kaming tatlong feature na teenage moms dito. Ito po isang real life scenarios po.
Her story: at first, she didn't know what to do with her life, but she chose to keep her baby because she believed it was part of God's plan. Even though people judge her for being a teen mom, she doesn't see it as a mistake. My advice for her is to stay strong and keep believing in herself. Being a young mom while studying is not easy, but she's already showing courage and responsibility by continuing her education and caring for her child. This story is about being young mom at early age, but she kept the baby and her life now is better and she continued to study to have better future for her life and child. My advice for her is she should keep using her struggle as motivation to reach her goal and give her baby a better future.
We have here another teenage mom po. Um, Napasama daw po siya sa group of friends na mahilig mag-party and napamali daw po yung mga decisions ang nagawa. So, una daw po nung nangyari po sa kanya yung hindi po inaasahan, hindi niya nga po daw alam kung anong gagawin niya or kung sasabihin niya daw po ba 'to sa parents niya or kung ano yung dapat niyang maging hakbang. And natakot din daw po siya sa paligid kasi yung karaniwan pong nararanasan ng mga teenage mom is yun nga po yung nadja-judge sila. And but ano daw po, humingi daw po siya ng mga tulong sa mga kapatid niya and by that po, parang napagaan po nila yung pakiramdam niya at tinutulungan na po siya ngayon sa mga expenses po niya at sa kanyang anak po. And ngayon daw po is nagiging okay na ang kanyang buhay.
Ang next tab po is yung contacts namin.
The contacts page of Sagip Kabataan provides ways of people to connect with the organization. It includes their email, Facebook page, feedback forms, and Teams member list. This section allows visitors to ask questions, give feedback, or seek help, promoting open communication and community engagement.
And last but not the least, yung Action Center po na tab.
Action Center for Donation, a way to reach out, make an impact, and support causes that bring hope, safety, and opportunity. First po is Protect Team. It's a youth-centered organization dedicated for protecting and empowering uplifting teenagers, especially those at risk of abuse, exploitation, or neglect. Second po is Global Giving. Global Giving is a global crowdfunding platform that connects donors with grassroots projects around the world, whether it's disaster relief, education, environmental protection, or community development. Global Giving ensures that every peso or dollar goes directly to trusted local organizations that make measurable impact. Third po is Kaisang Buhay Foundation or KBF is a Filipino non-profit organization that focuses on child welfare and family development. They are known for their works in adoption services, crisis pregnancy support, and child protection.
So I will be sharing about some government institutions and programs in the Philippines that give help and support, especially to young people and teenage parents who are in need. First, we have Project Inalalayan, a program that helps teenage parents fulfill their dreams by giving them guidance, education, and livelihood support. It aims to give them hope and a chance for a better future. Next is the Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD, which provides different kinds of assistance such as financial help, social protection, and programs for families and individuals in difficult situations. We also have the National Center for Mental Health. Under the Department of Health, this institution focuses on taking care of people's mental health and giving psychological support to those who are struggling emotionally. All these organizations work together to show that help is always available and that the stigma should end with us. They remind us that everyone deserves care.
On our last part po, or yung footer po na aming website, it features feedback and teenage parents questionnaire. It's actually hyperlink. So, kapag pinindot yung po yan, is madadirect po kayo sa mismong form po nun. So, sa feedback, dun po ilalagay kung how's our website. Is it functional po ba or informative? Next naman po is yung dito sa Teenage Parents Questionnaire. As of now, we have 4 respondents po sa aming survey. So, dito po yung pwedeng matackle or pwede din pong ma-highlight yung story nyo at ma-feature dito sa website namin. That's all po. Thank you.